Hello children, this is Amit Trivedi and today I have got a very interesting topic for you. Children, till now we have studied about animals. We have studied about different types of animals like domestic animals, wild animals and water animals. We have also studied about homes of animals and young ones of animals. And today we are going to learn about sounds of animals. Sounds exciting? Let's start. A cat. A cat mews. Dog. A dog barks. A monkey. A monkey whoops. A cock crows. A cow moos. A goat bleats. A donkey brays.
Donkey.
An elephant trumpets. A lion roars. A horse neighs. A sparrow chirps. I'm sure children, you all must have heard birds chirping in the morning. Doesn't this sound beautiful? A crow caws. A duck quacks. And a frog croaks. So, wasn't that exciting? I'm sure children, you all have enjoyed hearing different sounds of animals. Children, different animals have different sounds and each sound has a different name. So I hope you remember the name of the sounds of animals. Thank you children.